Okay, so now I'm going to show you the sequence of how I pull these screws off. So I'm going to start with, there's two top screws. It's on these little guide rails right here. So the first one is right here. Arrgh. This actually screws down into plastic, so don't go nuts. Snug is fine. And the other one is down in here. Okay. Done. Okay, so now that that's secure, we need to put our face back on. And let's actually do the right side first. It's easy. Kick over here. There's 3 screws right here. There's 1, 2, 3. Whoops. And some people may freak out about torque order and all that stuff. I had this unit out of the car, slapped it back together, put it back in. No rattles, no issues, except that the screen was still broke. Alright. Done. Now this side is a little bit trickier. It's 5 screws. 3, 5. Here. Here. Oh, and whatever you do, don't do this on your kitchen table. Don't do this on marble where it's multicolor and you can't see the screws. Ask me why. Because that's the first time I took it apart, that's what I did, and screws went everywhere, and I was hunting around with a magnet. So have a good work area, or you may end up minus a few parts. It's 3. I'm going to show you where these next 2 go. A little tricky. There's one right down in here. This you definitely want tweezers or hemostats for. Pop that in. Alright, and there's one more. I remember where the heck this guy was. Up there it is. This one's really buried. But you can get in there. Pop that in. Screwdriver in from the top. Yeah, also be careful. Don't get a screwdriver that's too fat, or try to do this with anything that's not precision, or you will not make it in there. Okay. So, unit screwed together, and we're ready to move to the next step.